Welcome back to Superior Sunrise. Now with me is Kara Smith with Newport Laboratories. Kara, it's great to have you on the show this morning, and thanks for being in Denver, Colorado. Tell us a little bit about Newport Laboratories and what they do and their relationship with Superior Livestock.
Thank you. It's great to be here. We appreciate the opportunity. So basically, Newport Laboratories, we are a state-of-the-art diagnostic facility first. That's where everything that we do starts. And then from there, we actually make custom-made vaccines. So we're going to talk a little bit later on how that process works. But that's the majority of what we do at Newport Labs is basically we're in the business of solving animal health problems or challenges with producers.
Tell us about diagnostics. Tell us how they work and why it helps.
So diagnostics basically gives us a roadmap of where we're going. So if we have an animal health problem or challenge, we figure out which bugs are causing the problem. So that's the basis of what diagnostics is we figure out which bugs are actually causing issues, and then we decide from there what we need to do. So it gives us an idea of basically the animal health status in the herd, so whatever pathogens are affecting your animals and your area. From there, once we get that information, we figure out where we need to go with our animal health challenges. So if we have a bug that maybe we're not addressing commercially, we look at a custom-made approach. Or maybe that just gives us the idea of what our animal health status is and where we need to go from there.
When you talk and meet with ranchers and you do the diagnostics on their herd and you find an issue, what is the next step?
So the next step, say we address an issue, maybe it's a pathogen that is not commercially available, or maybe it is. So that's the information that we give back to the producers as well as their veterinarians. We take the team approach to figure out from there where we need to go. So basically from that information, we tailor the animal health program to a particular producer in a particular area and or a particular veterinarian.
Tell us a little bit about the custom-made vaccines.
So custom-made, another name for that is also autogenous. So it actually means from the self. So once we identify which pathogen that we're dealing with, we can make a vaccine for that particular producer and or for that particular area through their veterinarian. So basically, we find the bug and then we tailor it to a particular producer. So that process starts with the diagnostics, finding that bug, and then we tailor basically a vaccine protocol for that particular area and producer and veterinarian.
When you guys decided to roll all this out and you became partners or, built this relationship with Superior Livestock, what is it like dealing with different ranchers all over the United States and their different herds?
So we see quite a few different things from different areas, and that's what gives us a great advantage at Newport is we have those diagnostics behind us to figure out which disease trends may be affecting producers in different areas. And that allows us to glean that information and then tailor that to that particular producer, rancher in that area through their working with their veterinarians.
If anybody wants to know more about this care or find out or contact you guys, how do they go about doing that?
So a great resource would be our website. It's www.newportlabs.com, so that'd be a great resource. Also, consulting your local veterinarian. They're an excellent resource for any of your animal health challenges, discussing your protocols, different things like that. So contact your veterinarian. They know how to contact us. We have 4 reps out in the area, so if you have a local rep in your area, you can contact them as well.
Well, thanks again for coming on the show with me. When we come back, another great guest. Don't go anywhere.